Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? Exactly, I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother, so you never lost if you watch this video. Let's see, my brother. In this video, we talk about the price prediction, the technical analysis, the opinion, and exactly, my brother, very important. Especially, I have good news for all of you, so hope you understand. Please, but first of all, I will update you, but kindly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Hope you like and subscribe our YouTube channel. The last 1 hour, the last, you can see here, the last one day, the last 7 days, all change occur completely negative now, and that's mean to the price is totally decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and it's a really bad news for all of you, my brother. Let's see, my brother, we need to predicate this coin, and absolutely we better understand when we predicate this coin. So last 1 month chart is on the screen, and last 1 month you can see here they were lost minus 40.17%, and the price come to 0.003686 USD dollar. That's mean to the coin is completely dips down from last 1 month. It's a special news, my friend, for a new holder if you invest for especially in those days. So I think you're completely on the loss, and I will suggest you, my brothers, to please don't invest more anymore. If you have any plan, then don't invest in those, because you can see, my friend, the price is dips down, and there is a no chance they will wake up. I will tell my brothers to when they will wake up, please, but you need to watch first of all, see this. All right, so and this time, my brother, absolutely, they will move in this circulation to after a jump, they will face down. Oh my goodness, you can see the last arrows is moving upwards. That means they will take a short jumps for a short time. But let's see, my brothers, to they will take a very huge jump or short jump. I don't know, but they will take a jump now. I hope they will wake up in upcoming time. So let's see, my brother. First of all, you can see here this time my prediction tell us to upcoming time they will wake up. But absolutely, at the end of month, every coin will wake up and moving upward. Therefore, I am 100% sure to upcoming time there is a lot of chances that they will move upward now. So hope you understand. Please, at the end of month they will wake up and they will move upward. You need to invest in the end of month, because at the end of month they, every coin will move upward and wake up. So therefore, my brothers, they will give you a good profit. So don't miss this opportunity. I hope, my brother, you will be take a very good profit and be safe from the lost. And those days, don't sell it. My opinions, don't sell it. Hold it and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.